This song's called Pay Me. Pretty self-explanatory. Wanna live another day.
Another day
But how can I do that working on a minimum wage?
on the minimum wage.
When the people at the top take the whole world for them to devour.
Too much power.
Is it too much to ask if I can get $15 an hour? If it is, then fuck you, pay me.
Fuck you, fuck you.
I ain't doing any more work until you give me what I deserve. But first thing first, man, fuck you, pay me.
Fuck you, fuck you.
Until you pay me when I'm worth. I ain't doing any more work until you give me what I deserve. Now, no one man should ever have all that power.
Power.
When most of us at the bottom only got empty dreams and the dollar.
Dollar.
Cause I'll be damned if I once again use my hands to work for the man
Work for the man.
who got honest supply, but he always fails to meet out a man.
Need other man.
Cause I don't wanna struggle no more.